cup cooking oil. Cook on low flame. 2 bay leaves. 1 tablespoon allspices. A half kg boneless chicken. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. 3 to 4 green chilies cut in half. Cook on low flame for 8 minutes. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 1 cup tomato paste. Cover and cook on low flame for 8 minutes. One cup yogurt. Cook on high flame until oil separates. A half teaspoon allspice powder. 4 to 5 green chilies cut in half. 1 teaspoon ginger julienne cut. 2 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves.